When you're managing dozens of agents and trying to stay in touch with all of them, the last thing you want to do is bounce between apps. Open a database, copy a phone number, switch to your messages, come back, finally log a note. That friction adds up, and it's exactly why most professionals don't stay in touch as consistently as they intend to. Traicee puts texting and emailing right inside of the contact record, so reaching out takes seconds, and everything gets documented automatically. When you open any contact, you'll see two icons in the top right of the header, a text icon and an email icon. Click on the text icon, and a text window opens where you'll see the recipient and their phone number already filled in. Just fill out the message and click send. The same thing goes for email. Just click the email icon and compose your message. Traicee connects directly to your Gmail account, so every email goes out with your own address. It looks and feels like you sent it personally, because you did. Write your subject, write your message, and send. Here's what makes this more than just a convenience. Every text and email you send from inside Traicee is automatically logged to this contact's activity timeline. You don't have to remember to add a journal note. The send itself becomes the record, and it updates the contact's health score immediately. Because reaching out is exactly what keeps a relationship healthy. No switching apps, no manually logging interactions, no wondering when you last contacted someone. You reach out from inside of Traicee, and the relationship record takes care of itself.